Mehek. Today we will cut the fruits and the vegetables and we will learn the names of the fruits and vegetables. Can you see? It's a monkey. Wow, monkeys. Do you know how does a monkey sound like? Yes! Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Yay, it's funny. It's a banana. And the monkey loves bananas. I love bananas. Wow, the monkey loves the bananas. Okay, so now we will cut the fruits and vegetables and learn the names. So let's put the monkey over there. Let's make some space for the chopper board, and the chopper board is right there. Let's put a banana over here and the apple there. And see. Okay, so the apple is here, and let's side some of the fruits so we can cut the fruits and vegetables easily. And now I will use a pink chopper board. Okay, so which knife should I get? The pink one because it matches with the chopper board. So now we will start cutting. Okay, so let's start with the pineapple. Do you know what color is the pineapple? Yes, it's yellow. Some of the pineapples are orange and some of them is yellow. So now let's cut the pineapple. Yes. Pineapples, I like them. They're very juicy. So then let's cut the star fruit. Star fruits are like the stars. Yeah. It's so beautiful. It's like the yellow star in the sky in the night time. Oh, let's sing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Yay! Now let's put the star fruit here. And next, let's cut the grape. Grape, what is the color of the grape? Yes, it's purple. Now let's cut the grape into slices. Oops. Now let's put it here. Then we will cut monkey's favorite fruit, banana. So now we will cut the banana into slices. Yeah, beautiful. Next, wow, it's a heavy watermelon. Whoa, whew. It's very heavy. Now let's cut the watermelon into slices. It's hard to cut. Oh. Yeah. It's hard to cut a watermelon because watermelon is very hard food and it's a big watermelon. So we cut 5 fruits. Now let's joint them. Now first let's join the banana. Is it right? No? Okay. Then is this one right? No? Okay. And is this one right? No? Okay. Which one will be? In the right side? Yes! The banana! It's a banana now! It wasn't a banana, now it's a banana. Next, let's join the heavy watermelon. Is the watermelon right? No? Okay. Is the watermelon right? No? Okay. Then is this one the watermelon? Yes? Okay. Next, let's join the star fruit. So, is this the right one? No? Okay. Is this the right one? No? Okay. Is this the right one? Yes? Oh, yay! Okay. Is this the right one? No? Which one could be? Aha! This one! Really? Oops. It's the pineapple. And is this one right or not right? Yes? Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.